What is up, guys? Welcome back to Talkverse, and UCL is back. And guys, I don't think we would have gotten a better comeback from UCL at any given time because oh my god, all of the games have been like a movie in itself.
Yes, yes. Let's start on with Barcelona. दोस्तों, I somewhere feel कि if तुम्हें लगता है उनके अलावा कोई चैंपियंस लीग जीत सकता है, तुम delusional हो. 7 गोल हलवा होता है क्या? वो भी न्यूकासल. You ever thought इतना स्कोर करेंगे वो लोग?
No, being very honest, मैं तभी जब मैं था, I was with my friend who is a Barca fan. I told them that while Barca is a favorite, Newcastle will give them a good fight. And being very honest, until first half, it looked like a supremely interesting UCL game. कि anyone can win. Barca मारी, Newcastle equalize. Barca मारी, Newcastle equalize. But after that, it was criminal. The level of domination Barca showed.
And what's up with Pedri? What's up with Lamine Yamal? भाई उनके ऊपर 1v1 उनके साथ मत खेलो. इट्स ऑफ नो यूज. उन्हें मार्क करने के लिए 2 प्लेयर्स की तो जरूरत है. एंड अगर इफ यू गिव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू पेड्री कि वो डोमिनेट करे, वो प्ले बना है प्रॉपर्ली, भाई खत्म. एक क्या तुम 10 गोल खा सकते हो. उतना पोटेंशियल उस बंदे में. और अगर तुम उसे स्टॉप नहीं कर रहे तो प्रॉब्लम्स तो होनी है.
Absolutely. I think this Barca side, once in form, I think were dominating it and on crazy levels because they show no weakness. Maybe their only weakness would be not a hugely strong defense, but then they score so much कि उनको गरज नहीं है उसका.
Chance ही नहीं है, dude. तुम एक मारो वो 3 मारेंगे.
Yeah.
और कुछ और वाइल्ड स्टार्ट है जो आज मैंने पढ़ा कि हांसी फ्लिक के 100 मैचेस में उसने कुछ 300 ऐसा गोल्स वगैरह स्कोर करके रखे हैं. भाई दैट इज 3 गोल्स पर मैच.
In fucking insane.
God, and I really don't think so कि अभी के टाइम पे यूरोप में ऐसा कोई टैलेंट है जो बारसा जैसा ऑफेंसिव खेल सकता है. एंड देयर इज नो टैलेंट आई फील कि डिफेंसिवली भी इन्हें हैंडल कर सके अपार्ट फ्रॉम आर्सेनल. वो भी संभाल पाई तो संभाल पाएगी.
I agree. I think the team that can come closest is either Madrid or PSG in terms of attack. But still, Barca is damn dominating, and very few players are like close to the front lineup that these guys have.
Yeah.
But insane! What a match! What a match!
Let's-
Simply what a match! I think Lamine Yamal is currently one of the most complete footballers available to us.
100%. And also talk about the individual performances. Rafinha, I feel कि एम्बापे चलते आ रहा था बैलन डोर, बट भाई नो, उसका बैलन डोर सीजन इज लोडिंग. एंड आई समवेयर फील अगर यही फॉर्म कंटिन्यू रहा और ब्राजील परफॉर्म कर गई वर्ल्ड कप में, he might win the Ballon d'Or.
Easy,
And
easy.
उनका पेड्री तो भाई साहब क्या 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 बात करें उसकी यार. मतलब उसके टचेस, उसके पासेस, उसका
Insane.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, उसका ड्रिबलिंग, कितनी तारीफ करें.
I think there is nothing that can be said about it because वो team बहुत insane है and most of these players are not purchased. They are just homegrown.
यस. एक और चीज जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व की, जब न्यूकासल ने 4th गोल खाया, उनके सारों का मतलब ऐसा स्विच ऑफ सा ही हो गया सब में. एंड मतलब वो फाइटिंग स्पिरिट मुझे दिख ही नहीं रही थी वहां पे. आई डोंट नो इट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट, बट थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए था. तुमने नोटिस किया ये?
Yeah, I agree. But I think what can you do? मतलब 60-70 minutes पे you are now 3-4 goals down. What will you do? भाई, you're totally depressed. And Newcastle as a team, no matter how good they are, they know they have never scored so many goals within a span of 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And now doing that against a Barca team that is just dominating them across every standard is
Yeah.
crazy.
I know.
Also, just look at the way they have scored a lot of these goals or built a lot of these goals. Those were like half mistakes or at times just no mistake. And then still within a quick build up it has gotten converted into a goal. So इसको तुम कैसे रोकोगे यार?
2-3 passes में वो लोग डिफेंस खोल देते हैं भाई.
One strong turn by Lamine Yamal
Oh.
and a good through pass, goal. Two quick passes between a midfielder and a striker, and then suddenly Wenger is just 1v1 with the keeper.
कैसे रोकोगे भाई?
पूरा एक मिडफील्ड और पूरा एक डिफेंस एक एक पास में बीट हो रहा है.
अरे पूरा वो 4 मिडफील्डर्स का लाइन में देख रहा हूँ. पेड्री खोलता है एक पास से. how are you supposed to defend against that?
This is just criminal, but nice. I am enjoying it because I don't want Arsenal to win the UCL, so I am happy. But again, we don't know where it is going, but I'm pretty sure this UCL will be crazy because यार राउंड ऑफ 16 तक ऐसा लग रहा था कि okay, we have got a nice team, seems like a balanced UCL. And अभी जितने भी टीम्स क्वालिफाई किए हैं सबने वन साइडेड जीता है. That means everyone is potentially at the peak of their form. Alright guys, now let's move on to the Liverpool versus Galatasaray game, which was always a surprise that it was a 1-0 defeat to Liverpool in the first leg, which was very weird, and then they just came in very strong.
लिवरपूल, अगर लिवरपूल का देखें ना हम, फर्स्ट लेग में सबको लगा था कि बॉस लिवरपूल इज डेड, कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. बट सेकंड हाफ में सेकंड जो मैच हुई एनफील्ड पे, दे क्लियरली शोड कि व्हाई आर दे कॉल्ड यूरोपियन चैंपियंस. एंड 4-0 शेयर डोमिनेंस बाबा. एंड alongside that उनका जो मिडफील्डर जो जिस फॉर्म में Szoboszlai,
Szoboszlai, yeah.
भाई वो आउटसाइड ऑफ द पेनल्टी बॉक्स किसी भी वे में स्कोर कर सकता है. तो इट्स अ कांस्टेंट थ्रेट. एंड आई होप कि मो साला का फॉर्म वापस आ जाए, बिकॉज वो आती है, आई फील लिवरपूल कैन अचीव अ गुड सक्सेस इन चैंपियंस लीग.
Absolutely, yeah. Even I feel alone Mohamed Salah अगर फॉर्म में आ जाए, their midfield is strong, their defense is still good. That team can be a great dark horse, and
Yeah.
it is so weird that we are calling Liverpool as a dark
Yeah,
horse because
it is
the
quite
other
strange.
teams have become that dominating. Barca on top of the game, Bayern
Yes.
Munich one of the best out there.
Yes.
वो लोग ने भी कुछ ऐसी crazy aggregate से beat किया है.
more than 8
More than 8
for sure.
goals. There is Real Madrid who is totally in form. There is PSG who has beaten Chelsea like anything. So, bhai, some of the teams over there are just badass out there. And इस सब में Liverpool can be a great dark horse. And अगर उसके right players form में आए, the UCL is going to be so damn interesting. You're going to be crazy.
This-
Atletico Madrid also for that
Atletico
matter.
as well, okay. I mean, we don't know whether they would be able to withstand or hold Barcelona. But deep down, मुझे थोड़ा भरोसा है सिमियोन है, वो कुछ ना कुछ उसका
Absolutely. The
dark.
one team that can bring on upsets is Atletico Madrid, क्योंकि वो physically इतना dominating होता है कि it will not make you let you make a lot of those plays, and then Alvarez and Griezmann are also in a form of their life,
Yes.
and they alone can get you those 1 or 2 goals that are required.
This year's UCL is absolutely interesting, and we are loving it. Okay, all football fans are absolutely loving it. Let's see कौन सी team कहाँ तक जाती है. But deep down, my predictions are Barca would win this Champions League. ये उनका season है. Last time वो हारे थे इंटर से, but they are surely gonna win this one.
Absolutely, and I just want you guys to let us know who do you think is gonna win UCL, and I also want you guys to put in comment section 2 reasons why Arsenal won't. Please go ahead.